lovelies, let's start crafting and make it till our eyes smile. That's what I like to say. Okay, we're going to begin by using these little houses I found at the 99-cent store. I know Dollar Tree carries little houses, and sometimes you can find them also at Walmart. I painted them with some chalk paint first. I did about 3 coats. And after I did that, I went over it with some Mod Podge. I ended up getting some book pages, and yep, they're wet. I put them in coffee, instant coffee. I love using that method to make pages and paper look aged. And it also makes it easier to tear and rip. If your paper tears and rips on its own, hey, leave it. I think that looks so beautiful when that does happen. You want it to have that age look when you're using this method for shabby chic or any other styles. If you want a paper to look aged and ripped and old, I absolutely love doing this. And if it tears, who cares? I'm rhyming now. If it tears, who cares? Still use it, put it on. Always remember, we want that shabby chic beautiful, right? Shabby chic beautiful, that's what we're looking for. So every page will be unique and have its own look. So once I just put a thin coat of Mod Podge on the bottom, place my paper book page, and then I put a light coat on the top. We're going to set them aside and let them dry. Now we're going to work on the taller long house, and I'm going to use this stencil from BB Craft, my favorite stencil from them. You can tell I already used it and give it plenty of love, but I'm going to use it again. And the paint I'm choosing is a brown from Dollar Tree. I don't know, I'm actually loving this brown. It's like a rustic brown color, and I think it gives a really beautiful shabby-licious look. Now I'm going to be using this. It's kind of like a wallpaper trim, and I thought this was so pretty when I seen it. I got this also at the 99-cent store, but you can use any like crafting paper or other design tapes or wallpaper that you find. So many ways you can decorate the bottom of your house. But this to me was absolutely perfect. It matched my paint. I thought it was really pretty, and for 99 cents, I could not pass this up. So now I'm going to be using this beautiful fabric ribbon. It's like a lace fabric ribbon I get at the Dollar Tree, and it's one of my favorites. Very beautiful. You can use this ribbon for just about any style. It's just a gorgeous ribbon they carry all the time. Now the embellishment I chose is from Totally Dazzled. It's a beautiful crown. I thought it was very fitting for this house. I love it with the design and the colors, the lace that we picked, the ribbon. I just thought it was just really nice, beautiful, stunning touch. I chose to use 3 satin little ribbons. I get these at Walmart in a pack. You get quite a bit of them, and you can find these in the sewing section where the ribbons are. They usually have quite a bit of these. I find them all the time, so it is something that Walmart does carry. Okay, now that our houses are dry, now it's time to put our embellishments on. I chose to just get scraps of lace that I have on hand. That's what I chose to use. Hey, whenever you're doing some shabby-licious DIYs, always remember you can add scraps of lace, scraps of materials, scraps of ribbon, buttons, bling, pearls, whatever you want to add to it, that's what you do, whatever your heart desires. I think that's why I enjoy so much doing this shabby chic DIYs. because it doesn't have to be perfect. You want it to have a homemade look, but you also want it to be stunning, right? So that's what I hope I can inspire you to do, is some shabby-licious DIYs that are stunning. Now I'm going to use some of this Dollar Tree ribbon because I do want them all to tie in together and look like a whole set. A whole set. Did I say that right? Yeah, a whole set. 3 times is a charm. Okay. We're going to trim those tails, and I'm just going to trim them in an angle. Now this I got from Panda Hall. It's part of my little crystals in their chandelier. I don't know, you can hang them on chandeliers. They're like teardrops and stuff like that. And they're glass or crystal, you know. But they're pretty, aren't they? I absolutely love these. I decided to put that right there underneath my ribbon. I thought it would dangle and give it some sparkle and give it a little of a unique look. I added these beautiful satin rosettes I also get from Walmart. They do carry this all the time. Again, I find these in the sewing section. But hey, I think these little rosettes always give a cute little shabby chic look. It just, I don't know, warms it up, doesn't it? So pretty. They're dainty. So cute. I think it'll match my gnome that I had made in previous videos. I will leave that card up for you, and I'll leave the link in my description box if you like to see my shabby chic gnome if you have not seen that yet. But these little houses I think would look so cute next to that gnome. I decided to glue the tails down because I want them to stay. I don't want no unruly tails. I want them to behave, and with solving that will be just a dab of glue, and I put those tails down. But look at that. Isn't that pretty? And it's different, right? Very unique. It gives me that shabby chic, beautiful feel. Love it. Now let's get to the other one. We're going to begin with another piece of my scrap lace. And I'm just going to do the same thing. Glue one side, and I got another little scrap piece and glued it to the other. I got that same Dollar Tree beautiful ribbon, and this time I'm putting it right there up on the top of the house. I want them all 3 to match, but yet have their own unique style and look to each little house. Again, the little satiny ribbons and the flowers I do get at Walmart, along with that little button, and that cameo button comes in a pack. You can find them also where you find the little satin ribbons. And I thought the cameo was gorgeous on this little house. It just screamed shabby chic to me. Now I'm going to add one of these cute little butterflies. I got these in a pack from Dollar Tree, and I think they're absolutely gorgeous. And it's perfect for the spring. I don't know, I think these little houses can go for spring or an everyday look. They're just beautiful. I'm in love with them. Just FYI, the book pages I did use was from my old book, Twilight, and I just chose pages out of that book. I love that book, so I thought, I'm going to make something out of these pages. But here they all three are together. Oh my goodness, they are so stunning. Oh my gosh, the camera does not give these beautiful houses justice. I mean, they're beautiful. And they're so easy and simple. Look at that. Shabby beautiful. I am in love with these. Let me know, which house did you like? The first, second, or third? Leave me a comment. I really like to know. Well, I hope you enjoyed what I made for you today. Please give this video a big thumbs up. It helps my channel grow. I so appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. If you enjoy Shabby Chic, visit me every Tuesday for Leeny's Shabby Tuesday. And subscribe. Click that bell, hit all, so you're notified every time I upload a new video. It was my pleasure crafting with you, lovelies. Hugs, kisses, and fairy dust wishes. Be kind to yourself and others. I'll see you in my next video. Stay blessed.